Good afternoon to all you Volkswagen lovers out there. My name's Brogan Lavigne, and I'm standing here outside of Hunt Club Volkswagen here in Ottawa. It's the first beautiful day we've had so far this year, and I thought I would take the opportunity to go over some of these awesome vehicles and some of the great incentives. Firstly, I want to say that Volkswagen is already dropping prices. They're dropping interest rates up to 1 to 2%, and they're giving you every reason to come on in and take a look at some of our vehicles. On top of that, Volkswagen has added some amazing loyalty offers. They're offering an extra up to 1% off of your interest rate on select models, which allows you to finance some of those models at 0% this early in the year. And if you like that, you'll never believe this. They've added back the 3-year prepaid maintenance on select 2021 models, which covers you for those first 3 years of ownership for regular scheduled maintenance. Now, since it's such a great day and there's such great offers, I thought I would go over some of our most exciting models, starting with the Tiguan. So come on over and I'll show you how great these vehicles are.